The coach was announcing the starting lineup for Saturday's game. Alex was still waiting to hear his name. There was only one spot left.
Okay, and the final spot goes to Andrew, and that's the lineup.
The announcement was over.
All right, everyone, let's get started.
Alex's name was never called. Alex clenched his fists. Alex took a deep breath and jogged after his teammates.
Alex, wait a second. You've been hitting the ball pretty well lately.
Really?
Yeah, I've noticed.
I've been practicing at home. I do extra swings after school.
Is that so? Well, it looks like it's paying off.
Thanks, Coach.
You didn't make the starting lineup this time, but there's still a chance you'll play.
Really?
I might use you as a pinch hitter on Saturday, so be ready.
Yes, Coach.
Alex's eyes lit up. Practice was over. Alex was on his way home.
Hey, Alex, wait up.
Sam.
I heard Coach picked you as a pinch hitter.
Oh, yeah.
Sam wished he had been chosen too.
That's awesome. I didn't even make the bench.
Thanks.
You must be getting better.
Maybe.
Game day finally arrived. Alex watched from the bench as the game went on. Then, in the sixth inning,
Alex, grab a helmet. You're up.
Really?
Yeah, let's see what you've got.
His heart was pounding. Alex stepped into the batter's box. The pitcher raised his arm and threw the ball. A hit. The ball shot into the outfield.
Go, 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 way to go.
Alex reached first base safely. A moment later, the next batter hit the ball. Alex ran toward third base, but the throw got there first.
Out.
Alex lowered his head and walked back to the bench. Alex could hear some of the players talking about his mistake.
Nice hit out there. You've been working hard, haven't you? It showed. Keep it up.
Alex watched the rest of the game from the bench. After the game, Sam found Alex sitting alone.
Hey, Alex, ready to head home? That was a great hit.
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
I got out.
Yeah, but you hit the ball hard. That's progress.
I guess.
How did you get so much better at batting anyway?
I've been practicing at home.
Really?
Yeah, I do 100 swings every day.
Every day?
Pretty much.
Wow.
Sam thought about the game on his way home. Alex had gotten a hit. Sam wished he had been chosen too. For the first time, Sam wondered if he should practice at home too. Back at home, Alex thought about what Sam had said. His words made Alex feel a little better.
Sam was right. I did get a hit today.
But something still bothered him.
So why do I still feel like I failed?
day after day, Alex kept practicing, but nothing seemed to change. The uneasy feeling never went away. During practice, Coach checked in with the players.
Hey, Alex, how's the training going?
Great. I've been doing 100 swings every day.
That's good. Keep it up. Anything else?
Not really.
I see.
Coach nodded quietly. A few weeks later, the team was scheduled to play a practice game.
All right, here's today's lineup.
Neither Alex nor Sam made the starting lineup. This time, Alex wasn't even on the bench.
We'll get another chance. Let's go.
The next day at lunch, Alex sat down with Ethan.
I'm starving.
I heard your stomach during class.
No way, that's embarrassing. Here, want an apple?
Thanks. You throw everything like a baseball. So, how's baseball going?
Pretty good. I got my first hit in a game.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, I've been practicing a lot lately. I guess I got a little inspired. At first, I was really happy.
At first?
Yeah, but I got out later.
Oh,
And this time, I wasn't even picked as a pinch hitter. Can't stop thinking about it. Oh, by the way, Ethan, I heard you got first place again.
yeah.
That's amazing. You've been number 1 for a while now, right?
Actually, not always.
Really?
I used to struggle with chemistry. My grades weren't very good, so I started focusing on chemistry. After that, my scores improved a lot.
Alex froze. Something clicked.
Wait. Focus on what you're bad at. I think I figured it out.
Maybe Alex had finally found his next challenge. Or maybe something was about to change. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to subscribe for the next episode. See you next time.